Don't let your greenhouse plants freeze. Is your greenhouse ready for winter? Discover how the BioGreen Phoenix heater can protect your precious plants from frost and keep them thriving all year round. The BioGreen Phoenix PHX 2.8 US is a powerful and versatile heating solution. It's designed to maintain optimal temperatures in your greenhouse, shed, or garage. This heater ensures your plants thrive, no matter the weather outside. This electric heater features both heating and ventilation functions. It helps improve conditions inside your greenhouse. It creates the ideal balance between humidity and temperature. This heater has two separately adjustable heating elements, 1000W or 1800W, combined for 2800W. It's suitable for spaces up to 215 square feet. It also features a steplessly adjustable thermostat, maintaining temperatures from 58 degrees Celsius to 79 degrees Celsius. The air circulation mode prevents heat buildup around plants. It ensures even heat distribution. The stainless steel housing is durable and long-lasting. Setting up is easy. Place it on the floor or mount it securely. Choose your heating level, 1000, 1800 or 2800. Adjust the thermostat to your desired temperature. Activate the air circulation mode for better air distribution. Regularly check temperature and humidity for optimal growing conditions. It's that simple. Customers rave about the BioGreen Phoenix. One user says it keeps my greenhouse warm in freezing temperatures. Another highlights its excellent quality and effective temperature control. However, some users found it insufficient for larger greenhouses in extremely cold conditions. Overall, it receives high marks for performance and build quality. Pros include dual heating elements, an integrated thermostat, and durable stainless steel housing. Cons include the need for a 240V power supply and suitability for medium-sized greenhouses. Ready to protect your plants and extend your growing season? Check out the BioGreen Phoenix Greenhouse Heater on Amazon. Don't wait. Ensure your greenhouse is ready for anything. Click the link in the description to learn more and purchase yours today.